So we are the Curve Plastic Band, and we are here every Sunday 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. And ladies and gentlemen, and guys, if you have a song request for tonight, or basta na ganahan na mo drum behind later, again, so we have one drummer for each set for tonight. Alright guys, again, today's song is Angel Good. Well guys, just enjoy your dinner while listening to our music for tonight, and also just sit back and relax.